Let's study the work of the sea waves, how the sea waves affect or change the landforms. Okay, then we have studied already the erosion and deposition of works continuously changes the earth's surface. Here, erosion and deposition also occur in the sea coast also, in the sea also. We know that when sea waves occur, in the sea waves occur. These waves also bring sediments to the shore on the coastal areas. Also erosion takes place. Sediments are brought to the coastal areas and brought back to the sea also. So it's a continuous process. So sea waves continuously strike at the coastal areas where rocks are also found. We can find in the coastal areas rocks also. So these rocks are continuously struck off by the sea waves. The sea waves are continuously coming and hitting the rocks also. So wearing away the rocks also takes place sometimes. So over time, when continuously these are becoming these sea waves are hitting the rocks, changes occur. Sometimes the cracks are developed. Some pieces, the stones or rocks are broken, cracks occur, and sometimes we can find a hollow part in the, when continuously sea waves strike on the rocks, a hollow open, or like a cave it is formed, which is called the sea caves. Sea caves we can find on the rocks, small caves are open. Okay, so when the sea waves hit the rocks, sea caves are formed. When these cavities, we can say this damaged part becomes continuously, the sea waves are hitting continuously, again erosion takes place. Okay, so continuous erosion taking place here, water is hitting on these rocks, or sea caves can become sea arches, so that the other side also will be hollow. So this hollow part becomes visible, the other side also, it continuously becomes larger and larger. Okay, so this becomes again larger. The cave becomes, first it will be a cave, then when continuously water hits this cave, it becomes completely open, which is called the sea arches. So sea caves can be changed into sea arches. Further erosion takes place. It is a continuous process, so that again erosion takes place. All these sea arches can be converted or changed into sea stalks also. Rocks can be again changed into stalks. That means like a wall it can be formed. So sea caves are formed first. From the sea caves, sea arches can be formed. It can be separated. So this part will be separated, and different stalks or like wall like formation can be created when due to continuous erosion. So this can be called the stalks also. So okay, we can find in the coastal areas, especially large stones with steep stones can be found because of continuous erosion. It has formed the large pieces of stones. When we go to the beaches also, we can find some of the beaches. Generally beaches are covered with the sand only, but some regions we can find the rocky surface also. In the rocky surface, rocky coastal areas we can find, and they are also, we can find very steep and rocks standing in a vertical position, that is also called a sea cliff. Okay, so water, due to the erosion of the water or the work of the waves, the stones or rocks are formed as a the steep or vertical formation of the stones can be found, which is also called a sea cliff. You can also find beaches on the sea coast where the sand covered regions without rocks, and also beaches with rocks also. With some beaches rocks can be found, and some of the regions we can find the only sand covered region, which is called beaches. So these are the different formation of land due to the work of the sea waves.